Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to configure Mailchimp in WordPress only way. Start by creating your Mailchimp account and audience, then install the Mailchimp for WordPress plugin. Find your Mailchimp API key in account settings and paste it into the plugin connection field. Test the connection, choose a form placement, and map form fields to your audience. Save settings and perform a sign-up test to confirm subscribers are added properly. Create a clean sign-up form that asks for only essential information to boost conversions. Use the plugin builder to map fields exactly to your Mailchimp audience so data imports correctly. Place the form with a shortcode on landing pages, use the widget for sidebars, and embed in posts for contextual signups. Preview and test the form, then complete one test subscription to ensure subscribers appear in your Mailchimp audience as expected. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated during long setup sessions, and it fits most cup holders. I use it during step-by-step builds to stay focused and refreshed. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if you like the idea. Now let's get back to the video. Turn on double opt-in in Mailchimp to confirm subscribers and improve deliverability. Set up a simple welcome automation that sends a thank you and next steps right after sign-up. Add consent checkboxes and link to your privacy policy to meet GDPR rules when applicable. Regularly clean your list by removing bounces and inactive emails, and monitor open and click rates to refine your campaigns for better engagement and growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.